how to install Daggerfall Unity. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to open our Steam app right here. Now, once you're here, the next thing that we need to do is to, of course, on the search bar, just search for Daggerfall and then just click enter and then just click the first one, which is right here. So it is the Elder Scrolls 2. And then after that, all you have to do is to just scroll down and then just click play game right there. And then after that, just click install. If we go here on our downloads, you will see that Daggerfall is now already installing. So let's wait for it to finish. Now, while it is installing, the next thing that we need to do is to go to our browser, which is right here. You will need these two links. So these two links will be on the description box. So just go down below. And then once you're here, so click this first link, which is the Daggerfall Unity 1.1.1. Once you're here, all you have to do is to just scroll down until you see this DFU Windows 64-bit. So if you're using Windows, of course, use this. But if you're using Mac or Linux, just download this, of course. Since I'm using Windows, I'm going to click this. And then let's wait for it to finish right here. Now, once it is done, just open the file right there. So let's go to downloads. Let's extract this. Extract. And then once you do that, you will see this Daggerfall Unity. So all you have to do is to just open this. And then once you're now here on the game, as you can see, we are now in this part. So the next thing that we need to do is to go again into our browser right here. So use the second link, which is right here. So just scroll down right here and then look for the step 3, which is set correct path. So let's follow this one right here, which is the program files, Steam apps. So let's go here on our program files. Then let's look for Steam. And then let's scroll down Steam apps. And then let's click common. And then click this. And then click DF and Dagger. Once you do that, let's click the OK button. And then once you're now here for the resolution, just choose the resolution that you want to use. So if you want to use, let's say, for example, this one right there. So I will just leave it as it is. And then for the quality, it's up to you. So I'm just going to click fast test. And then let's click test. Okay, now once you do that, you will be redirected right here. So if you want to change something right here, it's up to you, but I will just leave it as it is. And then if you want to play, all you have to do is to just click play, which is right here. Then once you click play, you will now be redirected right here. And you can now play it on your PC. So once again, that is how to install Dagger Unity.